What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be installing some speakers on a 2002 Ford Expedition. This process is also applicable to 98 through 02 Navigators as well as 97 to 02 Expeditions. The first step will be removing this triangle piece, which is done by just pulling towards yourself and then pulling up and then setting that aside. And there's a Phillips head number 2 screw located right here that you will have to unscrew. Just set that aside. Next, we will be removing this door panel right here, and you just get your hold that door. Just get your hand underneath there, and there again is a number 2 Phillips head screw located right in there, right there, and we will unscrew that. Alright, next we will be removing these electrical connectors, and you can just stick your screwdriver right there to loosen this up, and then I like to just wiggle it out while I press this tab in, and then the same for right here, wiggle it while you're holding the tab down. There we go. Just set that aside. Next, we will need an 8mm wrench. Next, we're going to need to remove this door handle, and you can just pull this door handle out and then reach your hand through this opening and then pop it out to remove an 8mm bolt located right there. You'll be able to see it when you get to it. Alright, so now you just get it off, and then that exposes your Torx T10 or T15 bolt. You'll be able to see it, yeah, right there. Or it may be a Phillips head number 2 depending on your year. Alright, so now you will be able to just lift up, and you now need to unscrew this light bulb, which can just be done by turning it out like that. Set this aside, and then you can remove these 4, I believe they are 7 or 6mm bolts located on the speaker, and then you're good to go. The part number to adapt from the OEM connector to the speaker connection is Metra 725600. I'll have that linked in the description.
Yeah.
And it just makes the wiring job that much easier, and you can remove these speakers and replace them with your OEMs if you ever decide to sell the car.